They look beautiful. I'm very happy that I've done it. My name is Laura. I've been coming to Dr. Brown for about 7 years. I had some chipping and cracking of my top and lower teeth, and we opted to go for veneers on the 4 upper and lower.
When we first met Laura, she was suffering from a couple of different things. A history of jaw pain, broken teeth, chipped teeth, and kind of chasing around a solution, playing whack-a-mole, right? It felt like every 6 months, every year, there was something new that had to be done because something broke, something wasn't going right. And she was approaching the retirement age, and her husband, they want to travel, they love to do things, they want to be out and about. And having that steady state of health was so important to her. We discovered where everything started. And once we could figure out what that baseline reason was, everything was breaking down, we could figure out that solution. Well, our whole goal was to find that peace of mind and to get healthy. But what's really exciting as well is as you're rebuilding the foundation, you can also recreate some beautiful results.
I feel like I can have a pretty smile for many years to come now.
What started as a journey to get out of pain, to get back to peace of mind, became an amazing success story also of a beautiful smile. It never started out that way, but it was really cool to be a part of that journey. And it's so beautiful now because when people ask her, what's different about you? No one says like, oh my gosh, you got new teeth. It's, oh my gosh, you look younger, you look happier. Did you lose weight? And now we just see each other every 6 months. We make sure things are clean and healthy, but we're in that steady, stable state. So we get to just catch up on stories, and it's just a beautiful thing to reach that peace of mind.